Hello, this is Lauraine Kanders discussing MMJ in a New York Minute. Today I would like to talk to you about the possibility of replacing your opioids or muscle relaxants with medical marijuana, even if you have been on them for years. If you live in New York and have acute pain, such as after surgery, or neuropathic pain, such as a complication of diabetes, or chronic pain, such as from a back injury, you can take medical marijuana to manage your pain. Just like any painkiller, medical marijuana will not cure the underlying problem, but it's a much safer alternative to opioids and will help you to relieve the pain in a safe and effective way, just as well as an opioid. Medical marijuana can give you back a good quality of life. You will sleep better and physically function better when active during the day without feeling doped up. If you suffer from pain or muscle spasms and do not want to take opioids, you are not alone. Call me at 516-570-7565 to discuss if you are a good candidate for medical marijuana certification. You can also find me on the web at www.medicalmarijuanarexny.com. Thank you for joining me to learn about how medical marijuana can help to manage your pain and muscle spasms better.